Guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Germany sales milestone LNG deal with the United Kingdom. The United Arab Emirates agreed to an LNG supply deal with Germany RWE during Chancellor Olaf Scholz's visit the Gulf. The deal only covers one tanker of LNG or to be delivered later this year for trials at a floating LNG import terminal that's currently being constructed in Germany, according to the Financial Times, which cited according to the Financial Times, which cites unnamed sources, there are plans for 5 more LNG shipments to be sent by Emirates AD and OC to RWE in 2023. We need to take sure that the production of LNG in the world is unfazed. Kurdistan exported 3.8 billion worth of oil over 3 months. The autonomous Iraqi region of Kurdistan exported over 37 million barrels of crude oil over the 3 months to June this year, making 3.8 billion from the sales, local media reported. Kurdistan has been exporting its oil independently of the central Iraqi government in Baghdad, but the latter appears to have grown unhappy with the states in affairs. Earlier this month, an official from the Iraqi oil ministry said the government had advised international oil buyers not to do business with the Kurdish government. The announcement followed. Gold pin below 1,650 copper exchange losses on recession fears. Investing.com gold and copper prices retreated further on Monday as dollar notched a new 20-year high amid growing fears of rising interest rates and a potential economic recession. Metal markets plummeted last week after the United States Federal Reserve hiked interest rates and warned a potential economic pain as it looks to combat runaway inflation. Economic indicators from the Eurozone and the United Kingdom also show a pronounced contraction in the business activity, ramping up fears of a recession and denting the demand outlook for metal markets. Spot gold was unchanged around 1,643.82 unannounced, while gold futures fell 0.3%. Both instruments are trading at their lowest level since early 2020 after logging sharp losses last week. The dollar index fell slightly on Monday after briefly hitting a new 20-year high. Strength in the greenback is expected to persist as the Fed keeps raising interest rates. Gold prices have suffered heavy losses this year as the prospect of rising yields pressured traders into the dollar and treasuries. Traders are now positioning for more dips in bullion prices given that gold fell below two key support levels last week, 1,700 and 1,650. Among industrial metals, copper futures sank 0.4% on Monday to 3,357.5 a pound, trading near to month lows. Prices of the red metal tumbled nearly 5% last week after the sweat of weak economic readings raised concerns over a slowdown in global economic growth. Copper prices have been hit particularly hard this year by an economic slowdown in major importer China, slowing industrial activity in the United States and Europe has only exacerbated recent losses, still a potential supply crunch stemming from a strike at Escondida, the world's largest copper mine, may potentially benefit prices in the long term. Investing.com, there is no escaping the war of the dollar as gold traders are finding out. one of the yellow metal's most sacred super lines that held through its worst selling terms 106,650 and once broke Friday's dollar index continued with its onslaught of 120-year high after another. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.